Introduction. Welcome back to New Luxury Bike, the channel where we bring you the latest updates on premium motorcycles and scooters from around the world. Today, we are diving into the new 2025 BMW C400 GT, the latest evolution of BMW's urban mobility lineup. Designed for riders who demand comfort, style, and performance in city commuting and beyond, this maxi scooter is here to redefine everyday riding. Modern design and styling. The 2025 BMW C400 GT continues BMW's tradition of futuristic design while enhancing comfort and aerodynamics. Its sharp body lines, LED adaptive headlights, and a taller windscreen create a commanding road presence. The GT's ergonomic seating ensures both rider and passenger enjoy long-distance comfort, making it perfect for urban exploration as well as highway touring. Power and performance. At the heart of the C400 GT is BMW's reliable 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering smooth and responsive power. The 2025 update refines its performance with improved fuel efficiency, reduced vibrations, and optimized acceleration. With a top speed around 130 km per hour, it strikes the perfect balance between city practicality and highway capability, making it versatile for all kinds of riders. Technology and features. BMW has packed the new C400 GT with advanced features to make every ride smarter and safer. The 6.5-inch TFT display with BMW Motorrad connectivity allows seamless smartphone integration for navigation, calls, and media. Riders also benefit from ride-by-wire throttle, keyless ride, traction control, and ABS, ensuring a premium and secure riding experience. Comfort and practicality. The 2025 C400 GT takes practicality seriously with a spacious under-seat storage system that can easily fit 2 helmets or daily essentials. The upgraded suspension setup offers a smoother ride even on rough city streets. Heated grips, an optional heated seat, and adjustable ergonomics make it suitable for year-round riding, no matter the conditions. Safety enhancements. BMW never compromises on safety. The scooter features ABS Pro with cornering function, dynamic traction control, and an advanced braking system that provides maximum stability. Combined with excellent road visibility from its full LED lighting, the C400 GT is built for rider confidence in all environments. Variants and pricing. The 2025 BMW C400 GT is available in a range of stylish colors and premium trim options, allowing riders to personalize their scooter. Pricing varies depending on the region and optional packages, but it positions itself as a high-end premium scooter, ideal for those who want luxury and performance in one package. Conclusion. With its modern design, refined performance, and class-leading technology, the new 2025 BMW C400 GT stands out as one of the best luxury maxi scooters in its class. Whether for city commuting or weekend adventures, this scooter delivers the perfect mix of style,